My Last Vacation by Viviana Ramirez. Last year I went to Mexico with my family. It was an unforgettable trip. The airplane arrived to the city Cancun at 1 p.m. It was a very quiet flight. We stayed at a wonderful hotel called Sidus Cancun Family Resort. The first day we visited the Pyramid Chichen Itza, the largest and most famous Mayan site of Cancun. The second day I swam with my daughter in the Ubicu cenote. She was happy even if the water was very cold. We could not visit the Explore Park because it was raining. In the Scarlet Park my husband took many photos and we walked after lunch. At the Playa del Carmen, a city near to the Cancun, we ate a delicious pizza. Finally, we drank wine and we said goodbye to Cancun. We enjoyed our vacation.